All right, welcome back. Got some breaking news to cover, as you guys can tell by the title of the video, and it's quite funny to say the least as to what I'm about to say. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. If we're looking at the markets are looking great. September the 13th, the markets are looking quite great. We're seeing Caspa making a massive run. Altcoins are in the green, but let's take a step back and think about a few days ago. What were we talking about? What was the market sentiment? What was Solana doing? What was Bitcoin doing? A lot of people were anticipating that on September the 13th, we will see a market crash. And fast forward to the day of, we are seeing the opposite happening. So what went wrong? That's what we're going to discuss. So it's got some breaking news to cover. And, the breaking news is that the judge allows bankrupt FTX to sell its crypto holdings, including Bitcoin and Solana. Lawyers of FTX had submitted a filing with the U.S. bankrupt court for the District of Delaware, whatever you want to say, asking for permission to sell, stake, and hedge its crypto holdings in order to pay back creditors. And today, they are allowed to do that. You can see this for yourself. Crypto exchange can sell and invest its crypto holdings to pay back creditors and judge in the U.S. bankruptcy court for the district. So basically, what's happening is they can invest it also. As much of a damage that he has left the loser. That's the only thing that I can call that guy. I think he deserves to be locked in jail forever and deserves to get the worst punishment out there. But, people still want their money back, as they should, of course. That's their money. That's their hard-earned money. So people are like, we need the money back, and that's what, the new owners and, of course, the lawyers that are backing FTX and the new lawyers are saying that, let us sell this. Because, of course, there was a hold on there, and, today they are saying that, yes, you are allowed to do so. And, the market sentiment leading up to this was quite bearish. A lot of people were saying, we're going to see Solana going down like crazy, and Solana did break below $17. And, even though that happened, the amount of shorts that were piling up is beyond me. And we know what the whales tend to do. And I mentioned that to you guys in my Solana's update. Watch that video 2 to 3 days back, or I think 4 days back. I don't remember to be exact, but I mentioned in there a lot of people are bearish right now. What if the whales come out and do the opposite? And do you think that has happened? But I think there's a lot of other things that people are not talking about. So the attorney representing the ad hoc committee of FTX customers supported the plan during the hearing, while a lawyer of the unsecured creditors committee said all of the involved parties looked to expedite the process. The sooner we can get this process rolling, the better. So now basically what's happening is, they can also invest this. So basically, this is also a plus point because millions of dollars could be flowing into other coins. And, that could be the reason as to why we do see, a rally occurring in the upcoming days. But remember, at the same time, whales can come and manipulate the market. So we need to be very careful, to see what happens in the upcoming days. But as far as some of the altcoins go, they are pumping like crazy. And Bitcoin is also making a move towards the upside. And Bitcoin is able to make its way back up to the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level. That is going to be exciting. So let's take a look at what else is there. FTX submitted a filing requesting permission to engage in these activities in August, arguing that the hedging its crypto assets would allow the debtors to limit potential downside risk prior to the sale of such Bitcoin or Ether, while staking certain digital assets will inure to the benefit of the estates and ultimately creditors by generating low risk returns on their otherwise digital assets. So the judge asked questions about whether FTX officials could tell who deposited the assets. FTX's view is that the digital assets we're selling are assets of the debtors, attorney representing the exchange said. Another lawyer said the assets are all in one pool and are not traceable to the individual customer. Quite interesting to say the least. So basically, you can see this for yourself that now they are allowed to do this, start selling 100 million. I think that was what was decided. Correct me if I'm wrong. But what does this mean for the markets? Like I said, you could take a look at it from two different ways. Either they can sell it, or they can also invest it and try to earn some money off of that, because as markets are heating up. We're going into a bull cycle in the year of 2024 as far as history is concerned. If history were to repeat itself, we should see a massive bull cycle after the Bitcoin halving. So are they doing it from that angle to kind of make back the money or be close to it and start paying back all the people that they owe? Potentially, but at the same time, smart money will take a look at it from a different angle. And what that is, sure, we're seeing a great day right now, but wouldn't this make you question, okay, if they're bringing millions or even $1 billion plus, there will be a time where they're going to be selling it. And if they come and sell and dump the entire thing at once, that can also cause a sell pressure. So we need to keep these factors in mind. So that's why it's very important to see how Bitcoin reacts, and the next few days could be very, very important. I'm not getting too excited right now because Bitcoin is still in the danger zone. We need to see the Bitcoin price in the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level for us to really get excited. But that is my overall take on this. I still think there could potentially be a chance for the whales, as of course, September 13th was the date everyone was looking for, and now that it's here, the opposite has happened. They might see an opportunity to start shorting it once again. So that's my overall take on this. But FTX is allowed to sell their assets, so we will see slow decrease and a sell-off from their side. But look at Solana, it's up 2%. We will definitely take that. Solana did take a hit on the weekly time frame. You can see this for yourself, down 6.2%. So is the entire market. So we need to kind of take a look at it from both of the sides. But I want to hear from you guys. What are your personal thoughts on this? Do you think we're out of the hot waters? Do you think this is just a little bit of a fake out from the whales? Or do you think that this could be the time where we finally see Bitcoin kind of move towards the upside and start seeing the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level once again? I want to hear from you guys, and let me know what altcoins you are accumulating right now. Where could you see Solana going? Where could you see Bitcoin going? Which coins are you really excited about? I want to know from you guys in the comment section. And yeah, what is your exit strategy? Let me know your personal thoughts down below. And also follow me on Twitter, guys, if you have not already done so. Link in the description box below. It's free to do so. Let's get the Twitter following going like crazy. I need the Twitter, supporters to really show their support. So go follow me on Twitter. That would be greatly appreciated. And with that said, I will see you guys tomorrow with another update. As always, see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.